Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can unblock FaceTime contacts from the block list on the iPhone 15 series. So let's say if you have previously accidentally blocked a contact, or if you now change your mind and you want to allow them to start calling you again, you can unblock them from the block list. Let's see how you can do this. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on FaceTime. After that, we scroll down and then tap on blocked contacts. In here is a block list of all the contacts that you have previously blocked. Now to unblock them, you can either swipe across on the contact and then tap on unblock. Otherwise, you can tap on edit at the top and then tap on the remove button and then tap on unblock. So that is another way how you can unblock contacts. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.